What did it say?
It was right there.
No, it wasn't. You took it off, didn't you?
You still see that? It's barred into the window.
This boy. It's bad out here. Alexis is frozen solid. What is up, guys? We are here. It is the Winter Storm 2K18. It's so cold. Blowing snow. We're just trying to go to GameStop and get a game before we get stuck in my house for days. The windshield wipers are frozen down. Alexis is just... Alexis is frozen solid. It's not good. What are you gonna do about the wipers, bro? We need them. Oh, I got one. Kind of. Yeah, I got one. Now my hand hurts really bad. You almost can't see how shitty Trey's hood looks with the ice over it. Oh, fuck.
Look at the ice that's dripping off.
Those are his teeth. That is thick. Holy shit.
That's a high quality scraper. What? No, I only got the passenger. He got part of it.
And then pull it off. Like pick it up.
Yeah.
Oh god. Alright. I gotta get in the car. People who live in like New York and fucking states where it snows all the time, I don't understand how you do it. They really are. They're like, it's not even cold there. Oh, this is fucking gnarly. 23 degrees. What is so weird is we were outside in shorts and a t-shirt yesterday.
Yeah.
It wasn't even cold. And now it's 23 degrees, everything's frozen. But every single news channel is saying stay in your house, so we're gonna go into town.
I need the other side of the fucking window. The back window.
If we crash, we'll hit you guys back up.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the passenger window.
What? Oh my god. We almost... Watch out, you're on straight ice right now.
That was a little bit scary.
Oh god! Bro. Oh my god. That other car. Oh! Trey's counter steer game is strong.
Yeah,
that was something else, dude. That was
a drift car.
We just did a 360 in the middle of the highway. In the middle of the highway.
I don't know what people watching thinking.
That Altima that was...
They probably thought they were about
They were thought that... Oh, God. I thought it was gonna catch whenever we got back on the solid ground. I was like, oh, it's just gonna catch and straighten back up. No, it stayed going.
I thought we were gonna go for that light pole.
Oh, and then I thought we were going for the Mighty Muffler van. Oh god, that would have been so bad.
I thought the van was done for.
Whew. That was gnarly.
Very.
He's like he's on the roller.
I didn't even panic.
I didn't really either. I was just riding it.
It was smooth. Like
If we were gonna wreck, we were gonna wreck.
Shit was very slick.
Dude, you barely tapped it, and it was gone. Imagine that's what it's like driving like a 600 horsepower car. You just barely tap the gas, and the back end's going. A little adrenaline in the morning. Best way to wake up. God. I did not think you were going to be able to countersteer out of going towards the other lane. If you would have like linked that up and somehow stayed in the highway.
I was trying to, but after coming out of the other lane, I had too much angle. If I had an angle kit, it would have been nothing.
Angle kit on the GS for the snow. God, you can hear the whole chassis like creaking. It's frozen AF. I'm feeling lucky, boys. Cop some
slick.
Let's cop some lottery tickets. Don't slide into a gas pump.
What's that?
Out of service.
My fucking gas.
Alright, so we're all loaded up in the car. We've been rolling around. Only had one accident.
That was an accident.
One almost accident.
I had it all in my hands.
Yeah. It was scary. I got hella lottery tickets. I don't think I won anything, so no project car coming soon. What are we gonna do? We're trying to find an icy parking lot, but that's proven to be pretty difficult. So hopefully we can, and then we'll see you guys when we find one. Alright, so we're just driving around, and we passed this 350Z with 2 cars following him. And we're like, oh, I bet he's trying to find somewhere to slide. So we turn around and we talk to this guy, and sure enough, he's looking for somewhere to slide. So hopefully we find a nice icy parking lot to go to, and get some dope clips. So this thing's pretty sick too, dude. Straight pipe VQ. Oh, where's he at? It's got one mismatched wheel that's like orange camo. Oh god, that's ice. This is ice, bro. This is straight ice. Do not dump it off the side of this.
It's a neutral.
Look at that parking lot.
I think it's a Park Ranger or whatever behind us.
Nuh-uh. Fuck. So here they are. I mean, this Z looks pretty hard, bro. It's got, is that a carbon fiber hood?
Yeah.
Is it boosted?
It might be. They had some cones blocking it off.
We went up to the high school. There's no ice there. Not at the high school. Yeah.
I have no idea.
I don't either. I don't know. We've been driving around for a while. The only place there's a bunch of ice is on the damn highway. There's someone right there. Should probably skedaddle. We'll follow you. Oh god. Who is it? Oh, talking to him.
Okay.
Oh lord.
Okay.
Come on, we didn't take you to jail because you're an adult now.
Yeah, we're both. Trey's gonna go.
Trey's the only person. Trey's the only person that can't get arrested here.
Oh, he's spinning.
down and drive right by that bitch.
No.
See, fuck all.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, don't be playing in the park on video. Ooh.
She didn't try to stop us.
She knew what was going on.
Want the warm hat?
Do it for the subs.
Do it for the sub.
Do it for the subs.
You want the warm hat?
No, I'm good. Oh, shoot. Do it for the subs. Yeah! There's hella cars driving by. What? Do it, bro. You were getting good. Let's go. Whoa! Oh, there's so many cars driving by. Oh! Stalling auto. You want to keep going or you want to keep going? What?
It's fun as fuck.
I'm videoing, bro. Oh. Oh, we got spectators watching. There's hella people driving by slow. What? I know, and that red truck was going slow. Oh my god.
I had to keep the throttle up.
Yeah, no, you can't.
The diff would stay locked.
Oh. Oh.
You should have wore the gloves.
OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. So right now, since we're gonna be locked in the house tonight because of the snow, watch out for these speed bumps. They're fucking gnarly. We're currently going to the.
Alright, nigga, here's what's gonna be popping off today. I'm about to go get the Ultima, start it up, get it heated up, take it to Camp Christian, and pull somebody on a fucking sled. I'm about
Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Yeah, once I was 7 years old.